This is going to be a review of my Netgear AC1750 wireless router. This router is still working. It's still working after 11 months in use. This router that I got on my birthday of 2017. It's all dusty because it's sitting here for 11 months. That's what. Yeah, a lot of dust after 11 years in storage, sitting there, connecting for a router. The antennas, it's not even that long. The back's just all dusty. You on the back, which I'm not going to show you the back. Oh, it is. I'm going to show you the back. The front of the device, there's a USB port. On the back, I could feel the power switch. You actually get a hardware on and off switch. If you don't want your router to stay on all the time, I can feel the Ethernet ports. Gigabit internet, Ethernet, power, USB, some part of the antenna. That's more USB port, I think. That's the Ethernet that goes on the wall. And there's the power, indicator lights, and that's really about it about this router. Yeah, these routers were very expensive back in the AC days, like 2013, 2014. But nowadays routers are getting cheaper and cheaper with this type of standard AC Wi-Fi. And the power supply is still good. The capacitors are in there. I don't know, it doesn't give me a date code. Maybe not. I can't get a date code on this. But give me a date code on the bottom. Let me see. That's all the passwords and all that stuff. Admin password. Doesn't give me a date code. Tells me all the I hear some capacitor exploding. No, not some capacitor, it's like the fan or the hard drive. Those are the back of the ports for Ethernet. Power on and off, power. USB port for your printer. You can hook this up to a printer. You can make your non-wireless printer wireless. Designed by Netgear in California. So it's copying Apple. I think somebody worked for Apple, designed this router, and it's still working. After 11 months in storage, it's still working. I tested it with many devices, Nintendo DS, computer, this phone, and other phones. I know this thing is still good, and it still works up to this day, after 11 months in storage.